everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to share your wedding plan packages to Facebook leads on WhatsApp. Now here let us understand this topic better with an example. Suppose I am running a business of wedding planning, okay, and for that I have created a Facebook page, and for that Facebook page I am running a Facebook lead ad campaign. Okay, so every time a person is going to fill that Facebook lead ad form, I want to send a WhatsApp message to them along with the wedding plan packages. Now here you must be thinking, how is that possible and how I am going to do that? So now let me explain you the process. So as I told you, I am using Facebook. So here into Facebook I have created a page for my wedding services. Okay. And here once a person is going to click on this ad, a form will pop up, and once the person is going to fill and submit this form, the new lead will be generated. Let me explain you the meaning of new lead here. Basically the data which I am going to get after the form submission is called as lead. For example, a person named John is filling my Facebook lead ad form. So the details of John, such as his name, email address and phone number, are called as lead. So once a new lead is generated, I want to send a WhatsApp message to them along with the wedding plan packages. Now here the challenge is Facebook and WhatsApp do not have any native integration or any direct contact. So how I am going to do that? If I am going to perform this task manually, it is going to take a lot of time. Why? Because every time a new lead is going to get generated, I have to manually sort out the details and then I have to send the message on WhatsApp manually. But if I have to send a lots of messages, for example, if I have to send hundreds of messages to all these leads, this process will become very unmanageable. So that is why I would suggest you to bring in some automation. How? Let me tell you that in this video we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to build a data flow between Facebook and WhatsApp. So here what will happen is, every time a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ad form, the message will be sent automatically onto WhatsApp along with the wedding packages. Isn't it wonderful that just with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will be able to integrate these two different software applications? Now here the best part is, to use Pabbly Connect, you do not need to have coding skills and programming knowledge. It is actually very easy to use. Any non-technical person can also use Pabbly Connect really very easily. So now let us understand this complete process, that how I am going to build this automation on my screen along with a real-time example.
Okay guys, so here you can see this is my computer screen, and here I have already opened my Facebook account. Okay, so into my Facebook account I have created several pages. So let me show you the pages as well. So you can see there are several pages. So let me show you the page which I have created for my wedding services. So here the page which I have created is Yours Wedding. So let me show you the same. So here let me show you the page. Okay, so it is this one. So once I'm going to click on this, my Facebook page will open. So here you can see this is my Yours Wedding Facebook page. For this page I am running an awesome Facebook lead ad campaign. So here let me show you this. Okay, so I have opened it into a different window. So you can see this is the lead ad form. So here let me show you the form as well. So here this is the form. Once I'm going to click here, the form will be opened. Okay, so here once I'm going to click on test form, you can see this is the form. Let me remove the cache here. Okay, so here this is the form. Now here the idea is, every time a person is going to click on the ads I'm running for my wedding services, this form will appear, and every time a person is going to fill and submit this form, I want to send a WhatsApp message to them along with the brochure. So let me show you the brochure as well. So here into my Google Drive I have created this brochure. So let me show you once again. Okay, so here you can see into my Google Drive I have created a separate folder, and into that folder I have created this brochure, this PDF which I am going to send. So let me show you. Okay, so it contains all the details about my wedding services. Now here here what I am going to do right now is I am going to show you a real-time example that how this process will actually work. So for this I am going to fill this form and I am going to submit this form, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message along with this brochure is sending on WhatsApp to that person or not. So for this, let me fill the data here. For example, a person named Zoya is filling this form. Okay, so these are all the details. Let's click on next and let us click on submit. Now as you can see, the form is submitted. Let's check on WhatsApp if there is any message for Zoya or not. So let me take you to the WhatsApp page. Perfect. Here you can see there is this message for Zoya Khan. Let's read it out. Okay. So it's written, "Hello Zoya Khan, thank you for showing your interest in your wedding." And you can see this is the complete message. Along with that, you can see there is this link also available. Perfect. So let me show you my WhatsApp page. Excellent. Here you can see there is this message. So let's read it out. So it's written, "Hello Zoya Khan, thank you for showing your interest in your wedding." And you can see this is the complete message along with the link of the PDF, or we can also say the link of the brochure of my wedding services. So let's click on that and you can see the link is downloadable. So here you can see the PDF of the services will be downloaded. Perfect. So you can see it is sent. So this is the gist of the process, that every time a person is going to fill my Facebook lead ad form and it is going to get submitted, the message will be sent automatically along with the link of my brochure on their WhatsApp. Now here I know you must be thinking, how did I manage to perform this automation? So let me tell you that I followed 3 very simple steps and created this amazing workflow between Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp. So let me show you what are those steps so you can also follow the same and create this automation. So guys, these are the steps which I followed to create this automation between Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp. So the step 1 is connect Facebook lead ad forms to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for this, first we need to log in into Pabbly Connect. Then we need to connect our Facebook lead ad form account with Pabbly Connect, or we can also say that we need to connect our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Then we need to collect the data from Facebook lead ad form in Pabbly Connect. Okay, now as our account is connected with Pabbly Connect, what we have to do is we have to collect the data from Facebook lead ad form into Pabbly Connect. Here what will happen is, every time a data is going to get submitted into the form, that same data will be collected here into Pabbly Connect automatically. Then in the third step, we have to send the same data to WhatsApp as a new message via 360 dialog. Okay, now here we have the data into Pabbly Connect from Facebook lead ad form. We have to transfer that same data into 360 dialog to send the message on WhatsApp. Now I know here you must be thinking, what is this term 360 dialog and why did I use that? Let me explain you that WhatsApp do not allows us to send the messages directly. So that is why we are using WhatsApp's official API 360 dialog. So here with the help of this software, we will be able to send the messages on WhatsApp and then the WhatsApp can be integrated with Pabbly Connect. So basically we need to follow these 3 steps to create this amazing automation. So I am going to explain you each and every step in detail on my screen. So keep watching this video till last. Okay guys, so to start with the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly, pabbly.com. Okay, so after searching for pabbly.com, here you can see this is the website of pabbly.com. Let it download. Okay, so you can see this is the website of pabbly.com. Now here we have to hover on products, and at products we have to click on connect. So once we are going to click on connect, you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. This is what we are going to use, Pabbly Connect. Now here I am going to click on sign in, as I have already created my account into Pabbly Connect. But if you are a new user and you too wish to create your account into Pabbly Connect, you can also create it just by signing up for free from here in 2 minutes. Now let's click on sign in. So as you can see, once I am going to click on sign in, this all apps window will appear. Now to continue making with the workflow, I am going to scroll down and at Pabbly Connect I am going to click on access now. So once I'm going to click on access now, this dashboard will appear, and here you can see on the top right corner there is a button named as create workflow. So we have to click on create workflow. So here basically we need to give a name to our workflow. So I'm going to give it as Facebook lead ad form, Facebook lead ad, basically Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp. I'm just giving it according to our topic. You can also give the workflow name according to your choice as well. Then we need to click on create. So once we are going to click on create, you can see this window will appear. Here the workflow title is created. Along with that, there are two boxes on my screen. The first one is trigger, the second one is action. Now here you must be thinking, what are they? What is trigger and what is action? So let me explain you that automation works on the concept of triggers and action. So trigger basically means when this happens, action means to this. Or we can also say that trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. According to our topic, the trigger will be when a form is submitted into my lead ad form. The action to it will be send a message on WhatsApp along with the brochure. Let's understand this practically. So for this, in the trigger window, I'm going to choose the first application as Facebook lead ads. Okay. So once I selected Facebook lead ads, then I need to select the trigger event. So the trigger event will be new lead. Okay. So here after that we need to click on connect, and hence we need to connect our Facebook lead ads accounts with Pabbly Connect. For this I'm going to click on add new connection. Then we need to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so now as I have already logged in into my account, it is going to get connected automatically. Perfect. Now once it is going to get connected, all the pages available into my account will be visible here. As I showed you, I have several pages. So the page which I want to integrate with Pabbly Connect is this one, which is yours wedding. So I'm going to use the same here, yours wedding. Perfect, this one. And the form into it is this one, yours wedding. So the same I'm going to select here. Perfect. Then we are going to click on save and send test request. So here what will happen is it will show the recent data entered into it. So the recent entry we made into my form was this person, Zoya Khan. So it has showed this data. But for example, if I'm going to make a new entry here into my form, that same data will be collected here into Pabbly Connect automatically. So let's fill this form again. Okay, for example, I am filling this form for a person named as Tina Manuel. Okay, sorry, Tina John. Okay, so Tina John is the person filling this form. So I just entered all the details for Tina John. Let us now click on next and let's click on submit. Perfect. Here you can see the form is submitted. Now let us click on save and send test request, and then we will check if the data is getting captured or not. Okay, so as I clicked on save and send test request, here you can see it captured the recent data. So the recent data was for Tina John. So this is how it is going to work. Now let me tell you one more important thing here, that the trigger which we are using here, which is new lead, this is polling based. So right now it has recently captured the data as we clicked on save and send test request. But at real time, if you are going to run the workflow, this polling trigger will take basically the time of 2 to 10 minutes. So you do not need to get worried there. Polling basically takes the time of 2 to 10 minutes. So this is the trigger. This is how it is going to work. So now as we have the data, what is the next thing we have to do is we have to send a message on WhatsApp. So for this, let me choose the next application in the action window as WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Okay, so let me remind you again that we are using WhatsApp by 360 dialog, which is the official API of WhatsApp, in order to send the template messages. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow us to send the messages directly. So in the action event, I am going to choose send template messages. Perfect. So then I'm going to click on connect. Now here we need to connect WhatsApp by 360 dialog account with Pabbly Connect. So for this we need to click on add new connection, and here to build the connection, first we need to provide the API key and then the domain name. Now you must be thinking, what are these two, API key and domain name, and from where you can provide them? Let me tell you that this everything is provided into the help box here, so you do not need to get worried. It is written enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account, log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on the generate API key button. Okay. So for this we need to go to our 360 dialog account. Let me show you my account. So guys, you can see this is my account and here is the dashboard. I have already created my account into 360 dialog, so that is why this is the dashboard. Let me tell you that if you too want to create your account into 360 dialog in order to send the WhatsApp messages, there is a link provided into the description of this video. So you can go through that link, watch the video and create your own 360 dialog account. So my account is already created. I just need to connect it with Pabbly Connect. So for that I need to provide the API key. So let me show you how to generate it. So here we have to click on WhatsApp accounts, and at this page here you can see there is this option named as generate API key at the right bottom of the page. So you have to click on generate API key and then you need to generate your own API key, and you have to use that same API key here. So let me tell you one more important thing here, that you have to generate API key once only. You have to keep it safe and use that same API key in all of your workflows. Why? Because if you are going to generate API key again and again, it is going to create some security issues. So that is why you need to generate it once, keep it safe and use the same into your workflows. Then you need to provide the domain name. So the domain name is already available into the help text here. You can simply copy it and paste it here, and then you need to click on save, and then your account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. As I told you, I have already generated my API key. I built the connection already. So I'm going to choose existing connection and then I'm going to click on save. And hence in this way my account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay. So once it is going to get connected, here you can see these fields will appear. Now the first thing here is template. I need to provide the template. So you must be thinking, what are templates? To explain you this, let me again take you to my 360 dialog account. Here is this option named as manage templates. So templates are basically predefined messages which you need to create from your 360 dialog account. Then you need to get them approved from Facebook so that you can start sending messages on WhatsApp. So here you can see there are already approved templates into my account. All are visible here. Let me show you the template which I am going to use right now. So the template I will be using is this one, which is send brochure final. So here I have created this template and I have provided these values here. So the same values I am going to enter the data for them here. So this is my template. If you too wish to create your own template into 360 dialog account, you have to click on this add template button. Then you need to provide the template name, all these details and the body of the template. Body means the message you want to send. Then you need to click on preview and submit, and once your template is submitted for approval, it basically takes the time of 30 minutes to 2 business days to get approved. Then only you can start using it to send the messages on WhatsApp. So my template is already ready and approved. So I'm going to choose the same here, which is brochure template, send brochure. Okay, so once I'm going to choose the template here, the fields will appear according to its value. So I need to provide the data according to the values I have provided into the template. So you can see I have provided some values here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have to provide the data into Pabbly Connect according to my template. So here you can see we have to map the data. So you must be thinking, what is mapping and how it is done? Let me explain you that mapping basically is the data which is available here into Pabbly Connect from Facebook lead ad form. That same data will be available into a drop down kind of accordion. So here we have to just click once according to the field asked and data will be entered automatically. So here, as we have to map the mobile number, let me show you how it will be done. Before that, let us read out the instruction. It is written, enter the recipient mobile number with country code, that is into this format. Okay, so basically we have to provide the WhatsApp number along with the country code with plus sign. We already have the data into this format, so we just have to click once and the data will be entered. You can see this is the same data we mapped here. So this is how simple mapping is. Now let's map the data. Here we have to provide the name. So the name of the person is Tina John. Okay, then we need to provide the name of our company. According to my template, I have to provide the name of my company. So here it is Yours Wedding. I'm going to provide the same, Yours Wedding. Okay, so I just manually entered the data. Why? Because it is going to be same for every person filling the form. Then I need to provide the second field, which is into which service the customer is interested. So it is interested into wedding services. Okay, wedding service. Okay. So I provided the third field. Then I need to provide the PDF URL or the brochure URL. So I'm going to get it from here into my Google Drive. I have created this. I'm going to right click here, and from here I can get the link. So I'm just going to copy the link and I'm going to paste the same here. So this link will be sending to all the person filling this form. Okay. Then I need to provide the website name. So the website is www.yourswedding.com. Okay. So I just provided the website also. Then again I need to provide the name of my company. So let me provide it. Okay, so the data which I am filling right now is according to my template. You can always fill the data according to your template. Okay, then I'm going to click on save and send test request. So after I click on save and send test request, the message will be sent on WhatsApp to the person. Okay, so here you can see the response is received, which means the message is sent. So let's check on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp page. Perfect. Here you can see there is this message for Tina John. Hello Tina John. Thank you for showing your interest in your wedding, and you can see this is the complete message. Let us click on the link as well. So here you can see the link is also sent into the WhatsApp message of my wedding services brochure. Isn't it wonderful that we just created the workflow? So now let us do a real-time check if this workflow is running smoothly or not. So for this, what I'm going to do here is, again into my wedding form, I'm going to make an entry here. I'm going to fill this form, and then we will directly check on WhatsApp if the message along with this link is sending or not. So let me fill the form. For example, I am filling this form for a person named as Sam John. Okay, Sam John. So let me enter the data. Okay guys, so I just entered the data here for a person named as Sam John. This is all his details. Let me just correct the email address. Okay, so it is sam123@gmail.com. Okay, so these are all the details. Now let us click on next and let's submit the form. Let me correct it. Okay, let's click on next and let's submit the form. Okay, so now here you can see the form is submitted. Let's check if there is any message for Sam or not. Not yet. So let me remind you again that the trigger which we are using is polling based. So it may take a time of 5 to 10 minutes for the message to send on WhatsApp. So I will show you my screen after 5 to 10 minutes if the message is sending or not. Okay guys, now let's check on WhatsApp after 5 to 10 minutes. So here you can see there is this message for Sam John. Perfect. So the message has arrived. So here let's check it out. Okay, so the message is, hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in your wedding. And you can see this is the complete message and the link is also there. Let's click on this link here. So here you can see this is the same PDF I showed you. This is the brochure of my wedding services. This means our workflow is running perfectly fine and it is running smoothly. So we have just created it with the help of Pabbly Connect. Isn't it wonderful? So let us do a short recap what we did so far to create this amazing integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. Okay. So first we integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect and then we captured all the data. Then we transferred all the data into WhatsApp by 360 Dialog, which is the official API of WhatsApp, in order to send the messages. And then according to our template, we mapped all the data. Okay, so in this way, this amazing workflow was created. Now let me tell you one more interesting thing here, that the workflow which I have just created, so the link of this same workflow is available into the description of this video. You can simply copy the link and start using this workflow into your Pabbly Connect account just for free.
Not just these applications, you can integrate plenty of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. This was all for today's video. If you have any feedback, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also ask your queries at this link here. And if you want to check the price for Pabbly Connect, you can check the price from here, this link, and automate your business. If you like our video, do not forget to press the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. And for more such videos, you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.